Sushi rice is rinsed and then cooked with salt and sugar in my rice cooker. Once this is cooked, I add rice vinegar and black sesame seeds. And then I press it into a heart-shaped tin for Valentine's Day. I like to drizzle it with a little bit of unagi sauce, slices of avocado, followed by slices of cucumber and smoked salmon. The top is drizzled with Kewpie mayonnaise, Sriracha, and more unagi sauce. And furikake is sprinkled over. For Valentine's Day, I'm adding these cute little Sriracha hearts that I froze, and they're going to be nestled in some mayonnaise.
Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures and happy Valentine's Day. Today for Valentine's Day, I'm going to be making a very simple but delicious sushi heart. This comes together in no time and will show everybody how much you love them. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking.
I'm going to start with the rice. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of sushi rice, and I'm going to give this a good rinse. Next, I'm going to cook it with 1.5 cups of water in my rice cooker, and I'm going to add salt to taste as well as a pinch of sugar. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can also use a pot with a lid. In this case, add a bit more water as it will evaporate faster. Let it cook on high for 2 minutes and then lower the heat and cook for another 10 minutes. After the cooking time, let the rice cool and add 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar and fold it in. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Once the rice has cooled down, I'm going to press it into a heart-shaped tin. I've added some parchment paper to the bottom and cling film to the sides just to help it unmold better. Next, I'm going to add the rice in and press firmly. I'm going to add some unagi sauce. This is about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to follow this with a layer of avocados. I have 2 medium avocados that I've sliced, and I'm going to add a layer over the rice. This will differ based on the size of your tin as well as the size of your avocados. To follow the avocados, I'm going to add about 2 cups of thinly sliced cucumbers. And I have some beautiful smoked salmon here, and I'm just going to add this over the cucumber. This is about 250 grams. Push this down so all the layers have a chance to stick together. To decorate, I'm going to add some Kewpie mayonnaise, followed by some Sriracha, some more of that delicious unagi sauce, and I'm going to generously sprinkle over my favorite furikake seasoning. Just for Valentine's Day, I froze these cute little hearts made out of Sriracha. I'm going to add dollops of Kewpie and I'm going to nestle the hearts in. This looks super cute. Serve it to your loved ones on Valentine's Day and enjoy.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very simple recipe. The sushi heart really comes together in no time and it's super delicious. If you love my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. Take care. Bye.